Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, powder snow. On a day after we've had a massive dump of snow. There's over 30 centimetres here. I'm going up a local hill, mainly because all the snow gates are shut which lead out of D-side, which is where I live. So I can't really go anywhere else, so I'm staying local and we're going to do some snowshoeing. So let's see how we get on. I think skis would be better today. Snowshoes. Okay, 250 metres in, down to my t-shirt already, even though it's -2. It's going to be a tough one. Well, as you can see, I've arrived at a rather large turning circle. Well, assuming that's what's under here. I think I've got to go up that way. Oh, let's hope the snow gets a little bit less deep as we climb. Finally, some snow that can take my weight. Well, here we are on Ladylea Hill. We're going to try some 20 metres sideband. It's just past midday. CQ summits on the air. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable calling CQ summits on the air from Golf Mike Echo Sierra 049 Ladylea Hill Golf Mike Echo Sierra 049 QRZ. Echo Alpha 5 India Tango Whiskey. Good afternoon, and you're 5-9 onto Ladylea Hill, over. Yeah, QSL on 5. Yeah, well that was a fail. My battery just died as I keyed the mic, but I just had a a raft of stations on 20 metres, including November X-ray 4 Tango Tango. So straight into the States. Well, what can we say about this one? Whew, snowshoeing stuff and powder. I don't think even skis would have helped with 18 inches, 45 centimetres of snow. And, well, 20 metres was great fun. Bit of QSB, but worked into the States and all over the place. And then batteries in the cold. My GoPro ate 2 batteries. And my drone ate 3 batteries. They don't like sub-zero temperatures. I'm on the backup GoPro now, which I only had in my rucksack by a random chance. Much more fun going down. Just one job left. Get this out.